My beautiful people, how are you and yours? You're welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my own, I say my own black soup. This soup is so delicious and also healthy. It is medicinal, but the appearance turns a lot of people off. You know, the name is black soup, so it appears to be black, and that alone makes some persons, feel irritated. In the pot, I have my beef. I added some onion, seasoning cube, and salt. I'm going to mix everything up and cook on low heat without water for like 3 to 4 minutes. So guys, this is after 3 to 4 minutes. I'm now adding some water. So we'll be using banga for this. I'll just turn everything in the bowl, and I'm using warm water to mix it up. I should have used a bigger bowl. So guys, this is it. I've added it to our pot. I've added it to the pot, and I'll cover to steam for like to cook for like 5 minutes. So these are the leaves I'll be using. The first one is bitter leaf, the other one is hot leaf, that is Caesar and scent leaf. So I went ahead to chop some of the leaves a bit so that it will be easier for my blender to blend. I'm also using some onion and the pepper, so I'm blending everything together. I think this is about 7 minutes after. Yeah, about 7 minutes after. Now I'm adding the blended leaf, my dry fish, my ice fish, fresh mackerel, and crayfish. Guys, this soup is not complete without mackerel fish, that is Titus. So I'm adding some seasoning cube, some salt, then I'll stir gently so that our fish will not break, the ice fish do not scatter. So I'm using some prawns too, then I'll cover. Guys, the soup is ready like this, so I covered and allowed to boil and cook for more than 10 minutes, for about 15 minutes, and our soup is ready. Guys, if you notice the soup, the look is attractive. That's because I use more banga. And guys, while I was cooking this, if you notice on the burner there is another small pot, that's for my semo. I was doing semo, I was making my semo alongside after I wrapped everything up and set aside, waiting for the soup to get ready. And guys, the soup is ready now, and I'm enjoying. you subscribed. Hope you've subscribed to this channel. Thank you. I love you guys.